Still spending hours doing the same Excel tasks? Not anymore. In this video, I'll show you 5 game-changing Excel hacks that'll save you tons of time in 2025. And trust me, once you try them, there's no going back. Let's jump right in. Trick 1. Autofilter by selection. Tired of clicking through menus just to filter data? Let's fix that with Autofilter by selection. First, click the small drop-down on the Quick Access toolbar. Go to More Commands. Choose Commands not in the ribbon. Find Autofilter. Now click Add. Note its position number. In my case it's 6, so my shortcut is Alt+6. Then hit OK. Let's test it. Click any cell you want to filter, and press Alt+6. Boom, Excel shows only that value. If you want to filter by number condition, in the empty cell below your column, type a condition, like greater than, equals, 15,000. Click that cell, and press Alt+6. Excel shows only rows matching the rule. To filter by wildcards, type a pattern, below your column. Press Alt+6, it shows only 2-letter data. Trick 2. Automate tasks with macros. Tired of repeating the same steps again and again? Let Excel handle it for you automatically. First, create a simple data entry form with fields like employee ID, name, department, and salary. To calculate total pay, select the cell next to total pay. Type equals B4 plus B5 plus B6 and hit enter. Now, fill in all the fields for one employee. Next, go to the Developer tab. Click Record Macro. Excel is now recording your actions. Cool, right? Head over to your employee dataset. Insert a new row. Copy all the fields from your form. Paste them into the first empty row of your dataset. Then clear the form to make it ready for the next entry. Now stop the recording from the Developer tab. To make it even smoother, insert a button. Assign the macro you just recorded, and hit OK. Right-click the button, and rename it to something like Submit. Now, enter a new employee's data. And click Submit. Excel instantly adds it to your dataset. No copy-paste, no hassle. Trick 3. Dashboards with slicers. First, click anywhere in your dataset, go to Insert tab. Then click Pivot Table, choose a new worksheet, and hit OK. Drag product to rows, and total sales to values. Now, go back to the Insert tab, click on Slicer, and pick the fields you want to filter, like region or salesperson. Boom, your dashboard is instantly interactive. Click any slicer button, and watch your pivot table update in real time. Trick 4. Recommended charts. Not sure which chart fits your data? Let Excel do the thinking for you. Select your dataset. Go to the Insert tab, click Recommended Charts. Excel instantly analyzes your data and suggests the most effective visuals. All optimized for clarity. It's the fastest way to turn raw numbers into insights. Trick 5. Quickly update charts. You've got a chart showing January to March sales, and now April's data is in. Manually resizing chart ranges is slow and error-prone. Let's update it in seconds. Select your new data, including the header. Press Ctrl+C to copy. Click your existing chart, then press Ctrl+V to paste. Excel instantly adds April as a new series. Perfect for monthly reports. If these Excel tricks saved you time, smash like, share with your team, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more smart Excel hacks. Which one will you try first? Drop it below.